happy holidays from Explore Scientific. 2021 brings a few gift ideas that are sure to fill the hearts and stockings from your young adventurer to the seasoned astronomer. First off is the newest addition to our family, the Alpen Shasta Ridge 4K Wi-Fi action camera. Perfect for any stocking, this waterproof camera uses a 6-axis gyro to stabilize the camera during the fast-paced action captured in true 4K video. The Discovery compact binoculars make a great stocking stuffer for your child or anyone who loves to explore. Or go big with the Alpen MagnaView 10x42 binoculars, the perfect stocking stuffer for the big kids in your life. With fully multi-coated glass, it makes any image crisp, clear, and bright. For the astronomer in your household, the Explore Scientific weatherproof 52-degree series of eyepieces come in focal lengths to match any desired view. From 10mm to 40mm, all will bring a smile and hours of clear stargazing at affordable prices. The Explore One land and water habitat is the perfect gift idea for anyone who loves nature and a spirit of discovery. The habitat comes with a collection net, tweezers, and a handheld magnifying glass. For an even closer look at the microscopic world around us, the Discovery 900 x Microscope with hard case is sure to be a favorite for budding scientists. And for the super curious, explore everything from soil to the stars with the National Geographic's 50mm telescope and 640 x microscope set. The telescope comes with a tabletop tripod, and the microscope offers 3 magnification powers from 40 to 640 times. The National Geographic Digital Metal Detector with headphones offers 7 different tones to help identify buried objects detected by the water-resistant coil. The headphones block any ambient noise, making it easier to focus on your search, and easily make it a family affair with the Explore One metal detector. Small and easy to use, any junior detective will be able to search for coins and metallic items up to 6 inches below the surface. Keep exploring into the nighttime with the National Geographic LED rechargeable headlight. With 2 beam modes, white light and red light, and an emergency SOS signaling option, the lightweight aluminum body is rugged yet light, and the magnetic base attaches to any surface, giving even more illumination options. Engage imagination and creativity with the Explore Hut Space Rocket. Great for indoor and outdoor use, it's the perfect gift for children 3 and up with their eyes on the stars. Or this fun item, which is more than a toy. Assembling the ring and robots teaches the basics of robotic circuitry. Once assembled, have fun bop battles with family and friends. Junior geologists learn about rock composition and geological processes with the Explore One Rock Tumbler set. Transform rough rocks into smooth, shiny stones through a 4-stage process of grinding and polishing. Weather affects your daily life no matter where you are, so stay up to date on the conditions where you live with the Explore Scientific large display weather station with temperature and humidity sensors. The large, easy-to-read display shows the weather forecast, indoor-outdoor temperature, and humidity. Or get even more weather information for your exact location with the Explore Scientific 5-in-1 professional weather station. With a wealth of weather data at your fingertips, this versatile system will always keep you in the know about the latest conditions in your area. The 5-in-1 outdoor sensor array measures rainfall, wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and humidity. Discover intriguing details about the constellations and planets as you navigate the night sky with the Explore One Star 50 app, Refractor telescope. This entry-level telescope is outfitted with a special mount that allows users to attach any smartphone to the telescope and use the AR telescope app. Or really upgrade with the National Geographic NT114 CF Newtonian, a perfect portal into the realm of deep sky observation, offering a 114mm aperture and a 500mm focal length. Each telescope comes with 2 colossal eyepieces that produce images with excellent definition and contrast. The First Light 127mm Massatov Cassegrain telescope with 1900mm focal length is great for lunar and planetary viewing and puts deep sky treasures within easy reach. Or the impressive First Light AR 102mm refractor with 1000mm focal length and its fully multi-coated glass. Or the brightest look into the sky with this truss tube hybrid Dobsonian telescope is the ultimate in compact and portable design. With 10 inches of aperture, nowhere do you get as much light for your money. The IXOS 102 PMC8 equatorial mount system with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is designed to work with most DSLR cameras and lenses, or just a small telescope. This go-to tracker provides a great entry into the world of astrophotography. The Explore Scientific double-sided multi-latitude planisphere designed by renowned Dutch graphic designer Will Thierry shows exactly what's in the night sky on any given night. This fantastic stocking stuffer is for anyone who enjoys the night sky.